Welcome to our assembly video. I'll be showing you how to put together this 2-shelf book display. Begin by connecting parts 3 through 6 to part 2. Once the pieces are connected at the bottom, connect part 1 at the top. Begin securing everything in place by screwing in the screws along the sides. Carefully flip the unit over to secure the screws on the remaining side. Insert your backing piece, part 7. Use a screwdriver to secure the back in place with screws. We do not recommend using an electric screwdriver. And this completes your 2-shelf book display.